After software, Microsoft is also looking at the hardware in AI. Microsoft fully understand that next era is of AI, and you can see AI being embedded in every product which is being shipped by Microsoft these days, whether it's an existing service in the cloud or any on-prem product. You will hear the word AI whenever you talk to anyone from Microsoft. And now, as I said, Microsoft is to debut AI chip next month that could cut Nvidia's GPU cost. And this is huge because if you're keeping tabs on the industry at the moment, Nvidia enjoys the monopoly when it comes to the GPU chips. And there is no one else in the side. AMD is trying, and there are few other competitors, but Nvidia rules all alone. This is where Microsoft is trying to capture the market and break that monopoly. It's a good news, very welcoming one because monopoly is not good for anyone, no matter how good and innovative work Nvidia is doing. So Microsoft is going to unveil its first AI chip at the annual developers conference next month. This new development could reduce Microsoft's dependence on Nvidia's AI chips, which are high in demand, and maybe that's an understatement. Microsoft chip, like NVIDIA's GPU, is for data center servers to train and operate large language models such as OpenAI's ChatGPT. According to a previous news, maybe the name or maybe the project name of this AI chip is Athena, and this has been specifically designed for these data center servers, as I said. It is also anticipated that this chip is going to directly compete with NVIDIA's flagship H100 GPU, which is currently utilized by Microsoft and various other cloud providers, including AWS, to power AI applications. So I hope that you like this news. I am really very excited about this because I really want this GPU cost to come down. Plus, it will be good for everyone if this monopoly of NVIDIA breaks down. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.